Great. Yes.
Go from point A to B without touching the wire. Otherwise, it gives a buzzing sound. So it's a game. 6, 5, 8, 7.
You just give you promotion. That's great. So you made this whole thing yourself?
Yes, all 3 of them.
So 3 of you made together. So 3 of you all worked on these 3 projects together. So it's fun. Science is fun. You like doing this stuff. Very soon I'm going to start a competition. Okay? At the state level. We'll look at this innovation and the best innovation and big prize. Yeah, I can understand. But the concept is great. And it is individual. So once again, actually. Show me how it works. We're getting everyone? Everybody's in?
Come.